Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.